What if the next great machine in a future megacity is not a vehicle, but the city itself learning how to stay cool? Heat already shapes where people walk, when they work, how much energy they consume, and who is most at risk. And in hotter decades ahead, air conditioning alone will not be enough to protect urban life at scale. Here is the first promise: a city that cools itself can turn extreme heat from a constant threat into something infrastructure actively manages. That starts with surfaces, shade, and airflow. Roofs become reflective skins instead of heat traps. Streets trade dark asphalt for cooler materials. Tree canopies are placed not just for beauty, but to build real thermal corridors across entire districts. Facades open and close to limit solar gain. Mist gardens, water plazas, and evaporative landscapes create local drops in temperature that people can actually feel. Then AI enters the picture. Sensors measure radiant heat, humidity, pedestrian flow, and wind behavior block by block. Climate systems respond in real time. Automated shading moves with the sun. Cooling towers discharge at peak stress hours. Transit shelters become microclimate nodes. Even traffic patterns can be adjusted to reduce heat buildup on the hottest streets. But there is a second promise. A city that cools itself does more than survive summer. It changes what outdoor urban life can become. When sidewalks stay usable, local commerce lasts longer into the day. Public transport becomes more attractive. Schools, markets, and plazas remain active instead of emptying out under heat pressure. Hospitals face fewer heat emergencies. Homes need less mechanical cooling. And the poorest residents, who are often hit first and hardest by heat, gain the most from shared thermal infrastructure. Of course, no single cooling technology solves everything. Urban heat is tied to inequality, land use, and maintenance. But the pattern is clear. In the most advanced future cities, climate control will not stop at the building wall. It will extend across the district, the street, and the public realm. The city is no longer just exposed to weather. It starts to regulate it. Neon Atlas. Mapping the cities of tomorrow.